looking for crumbs. It's funny, I had to loosen her harness because her fur is getting so thick. Oh my god, look at that side. Oh, this year's shed, I can only imagine. Look at her. Oh my god, Annie. No crumbs? Gave up? You're a fluffer nutter. Huh? Fluff nutter. Look at you. Oh, Annie. Oh my god. You're like a lion, Annie. Hey, it makes you look bigger than Chewy, doesn't it? What a love. Let's go, pup. We can taste the finish line, huh, Annie? Who's a love? Who's a love? Who's a love? Who's a love? Annie loves. Annie loves. Hi, everyone. Oh. No! Well, hello, Miss Annie. Can you say good morning, everyone? Happy 4th of July? I've been such a good girl. I'm chewing on my hoofs that I love that stink when they get all wet. Well, we have found out little Miss Annie not only is a rat killer, but she loves eating bugs. It is a sight to see when the beetles are out at night and little Miss Annie is chomping away. I will definitely record that. It was hilarious. Huh? It was like a little beetle mating thing going on last night outside, and she was going nuts. I didn't have my phone on me, but oh my god, all you can hear is the teeth clacking together. Well, our first day of 25-minute walks. Such a huge difference the last few days. She is starting her bad habit up again by going up on the counter, putting her front paws up on the counter. So I know she's feeling really good. That's something she has not done since before her surgery. Bad trait we have to get we have to fix, right, Miss Annie? But so far, so good. We got 3 days of rain, so I'm hoping we can get our walks in when it stops. But life is good. Life is good. Right, girl? Want to say hi? Say hi. Well, we're embracing the suck, and even we're embracing more suck. Chewy has a heat sore. He's never had a heat sore, but with the humidity and the high temps, and I think just from when we were going in the ocean and running, he just developed a heat sore, and he was licking at it for a couple days, and I thought he had something wrong with his anal glands because he had an issue with it a few years ago, but nope, heat sore. So he's got a cone. Yeah, I'm thankful she is almost ready to be off leash, because it's just, I felt so overwhelmed taking him to the vet, having to deal with all this again. Oh my God. But anyway, that's not bad. He's got to wear that until it scabs. He just can't lick it. But oh my God, it's like a saga with these two. The tooth to her hip to now his butt. And she just wants to go, as you can see. And she is so curious on why he's wearing a cone. Hey, Chewy! Oh, great. Now he's chasing a rabbit. Chewy! Chewy! Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Chewy! Where the heck? What are you doing? You howling? You howling at FedEx? It's your food. Leave him alone. Poor Chewy. He didn't bother you when you had your cone on for all those weeks. All right, bub? Oh, you look pathetic. Oh, baby. Well, no oozing today. Although he did bleed all over the bed. And she's ready. I mean, we're 4 days away from the go, but we're looking good to go. Very excited. Huh, Choo Choo? Oh, I had to delay my Vermont hike a week with my buddy Alex because of the Chewy. I want it to be fully healed so he doesn't get any infections. So a little bit of a wait, but a little longer for us to get ready. Come on, Choo Choo. Got 15 minutes left on this walk. What do we got left? Tomorrow, 1, 2, 3. 3 more 25, well, 6 more 25-minute walks to the goal. Oh, Monday can't get here quick enough, Annie. I'm gonna go to the dog park and run for 10 minutes, hopefully. Well, you know I'll be filming that. You say hi, everyone? I'm being a good girl. Daddy forgot to give me my sedation, so I've been bouncing off the walls. You can't stay still anymore, huh? Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah. You're such a love bug. Can you say happy Friday, everybody? I'm being a good boy? Huh? I'm being snuggled? Huh? You're a snuggle bug? Huh? All sprawled out on the bed? But his heat sore looks really good. I'm pleasantly surprised how quickly it's healing. Let's see, give it a look here, Chew. Not bad. It's no oozing today like yesterday. In the morning, it was really bad yesterday. So looking good today. It's a little worse at the tail that we can't see. Right between his tail and his butt, like right in the crack of the tail. It's really, really bad. So that might take a little longer than the big one, but he's living. Huh? He's spoiled. You say hi? You say hi, my one. I only have 3 fangs. Huh? Huh? Let's see it. fangless. Ah, no fang. No fang. You're such a love, Choo Choo. Are you gonna tell everyone where you are and what you jumped on? Did you jump on Daddy's bed? Did you jump on Daddy's bed? I've been a lot more lenient since we only have 2 days left. So I let her play a little bit with the neighbor's pup. And oh, she was howling away. She was having so much fun last night. But just a little hops here and there. Kept her on leash. But it's so nice to finally let her play with other dogs and not keep her away from dogs when they approach. So she's a love, aren't you? Huh? And Chewy's outside and you're hanging with Dad? Huh? Did our walk already? Life is good? Yeah, I stopped giving her sedation. I didn't want to give her any more today or tomorrow. I think yesterday morning was the last time I gave it to her. I just want to see how she acts off it, because it's been months since she's been not on anything. She has been on pain meds since I got her the first week of March. So it'd be good to have a normal Annie, huh? Oh. Are you excited? Are we all excited? Today's Annie's day. Huh? Huh? With 20 minutes and we leave for the doctor? Huh? We've been up since so early. What time did we get up? Did you wake me up at 5? Or 5:30? 5:40? 5:45? Oh, you guys are gonna get to play today. Yay! So exciting. Oh, I'm so excited. It's like Christmas morning. Huh? It's like New Year's Day. Yeah. 20 minutes. Little froggy, I'm home. Huh? Oh, it feels so good. I haven't seen her without her harness on in 2 months. So, I'll give her a good brushing today, because it's just, her undercoat is just coming out in strands like a wolf. But no running today. She was heavily sedated for her x-rays, so she's gonna sleep. And tomorrow morning, we're getting up bright and early. I'm gonna take her to the dog park before anyone gets there. And she gets 5 minutes of playtime a day. And that builds up 5 more minutes every week. So they said by in a month, she'll be able to hike a mountain. So with a lot of walks to build up her muscle, because everything else is good. The hip is good. Everything's in place. Now it's just building up muscle. And she'll get spasms if I overdo it. And we don't want to do that, right? But we will be hiking Mount Washington in a month. Okay, Lovey? All right, well, you know I will be posting a video tomorrow of her running. It's gonna be exciting. Huh? Pain-free running. But I love that. Nice to have the living room somewhat back in order. It's been a while. Here we go. 7 a.m. There's people here. this is great. This gives actually them two time to bond, actually, because I've had to pull them away from each other whenever they want to play. So very excited to see how close they get now. Hi, Annie Love. Here she goes. She's still in the habit of hopping when she runs. She's gotta, I think once she realizes that, hey, this doesn't hurt when I stretch my leg out. You wanna go in there, Lovey? Okay, maybe you'll. Come on, Annie. Go, 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 go. Well, it's been over 5 minutes and my problem now is actually catching her. She is just full sprinting. I'm never gonna be able to get her. Oh boy. Somehow gotta corner her. She ran away from me. She is so happy though. She is just going. But I gotta stop her. I gotta get her somehow. This is gonna be tough. Hey, Annie, are you huffing and puffing? I got you. I got you. Oh, she was just going. She was running laps. Huh? You're done. Done for the day. That was good.